Morning everybody. It is quite cool today. It's only gonna get to I think 14 degrees Celsius or 15 degrees Celsius, which is pretty cool for summertime, and then it's going back up to like 90 Fahrenheit in a couple days. But I just applied my fake tan. As you can see, it's the Fake Bake Darker fake tan. That one is my favorite and I love the smell of it, so I just put that everywhere. I haven't brushed my hair yet, I just like threw it up. But I wanted to show you, this is one of the new tops I got from Pink Blush. It is maternity, but you can see that you can wear it like not maternity, but obviously if I have a bump, it's got lots of room. This is the softest shirt. I'm not sure, it was in their clearance section. I'm not sure if they still have the deal where they had 50% off their clearance, but so I'm not too sure, but this is literally like my favorite thing in the entire world. Like had I known this was going to be this comfortable, I would have ordered, I don't even know if they had any other colors, but if they did, I would have ordered it in like every color because it's so comfy. So it goes down to, I'm 5'8", so it goes past my bum. So if you're shorter, it'll probably be even longer. And there's just a little cold shoulder detail there, and it's like the asymmetrical thing going on. But it's really, really cute. And obviously when I am pregnant again, it stretches. So it's really good quality and it's so comfortable. I absolutely love it. I was gonna be here shortly. And then we are, even though it's really crappy out, we're gonna go for a walk with the baby and just bundle up a bit. I just, she's awake now, Blake's awake. I just painted my nails that same white color from, I'll show you. I had my nails done with this like, it's like bio sculpture gel, and it lasted 10 days, but I'm not paying $40 every time. And it, I got it done for free from the lady who contracts me out to do makeup. So, but she only offered it free once. So I'm like, thanks, but no, I'm not paying for it. So I got the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. I just applied, it's in Creme de la Creme. And that's what it looks like, and that's what it looks like on my nails, and I love it. And this stuff will last about 5 days, so it's really good. But anyways, baby girl is awake at 9:30. I had to put her down a bit earlier today at like 8 because she was so tired, but I do think she's gonna soon drop her, let me just pick up the things on my stairs. She's gonna drop, not yet, but she's already starting to, like, her first nap of the day was the longest and now it's the shortest. She only naps for like an hour, and then, sorry it's dark in here, and then her afternoon nap, that's the long one. So it's just so funny how they, like, babies will naturally progress into what eventually they're just gonna do. So I gotta put, those are still some of my Pink Blush stuff I have to put away. I still have to do a haul for you guys, but I just always have, like, you moms probably have this. I have a headband, a hair clip, a random sock of hers. That's a drill bit. I don't know why that's there. This room, I'm telling you, is just a disaster all the time. But we'll organize it when baby number 2 gets here. And then these are her nail clippers that were just downstairs. So, hi, baby. It's dark in here. Good morning, princess. I always leave her books on the side table. And let's just throw that in the hamper. Hi, baby girl. What you doing? Do you have a good nap? Say hi. Say hi. She's so cute. Say hi, baby. Yeah, she always points to her little friends up there. Who are they? Baby. Yeah, those are your friends. That's the piggy and Dolly and baby. She does this every time she wakes up. It's so cute. But yeah, she gets that little blankie. It's not like a huge, yeah, mommy will show you. It's not a huge one. It came with her crib, but she's 11 months now, so I let her sleep with this because she's old enough. So, hey, she's grabbing the camera. So my mom's gonna be here soon. I'm gonna change baby girl's diaper. Yeah, can you smile? Oh, I'm gonna change her diaper and get her dressed, and then we are going to go for a walk and bundle up because it's cold. See, she loves this stuff. Your friends? Oh, You guys, she's my daughter. Except she has Colin's eyes. Like if you see me as a baby, mine were way more round. Hers are like almond shape, like your daddy. Yeah, I'm hungry already. It's ridiculous. Oh. Missy. Ignore my hair because it is wet. I just showered, but I like to let my hair air dry to about 80% and then I'll dry it. Baby girl is sleeping right now. It's 8:45. She's been going down for her naps earlier. She used to go at 9 and now she goes at like between 8:15 and 8:30 because she gets up at like 10 to 5, sometimes 5:30, but I don't actually get her until 6:30. So I guess that's why she's just extra tired. But I didn't finish the vlog yesterday, so I'm just gonna combine the two. I was super tired yesterday. I had a headache, a bit of a migraine, and I had to go to work. And I'm gonna be honest, my current job is just it's not really working out for me. I find that working 4 till 8, I am so tired by the time I get to work just from looking after the baby and going for groceries and going for a walk and doing laundry and getting all the household things done, that by the time I get to work, I'm a complete zombie and my brain is fried and I don't get home till like 8:30, sometimes closer to 9. And it's just not for me. Not to mention the pay is really not, it's not good. So I am looking for something else. I haven't heard yet from the other job. I haven't heard anything. I know these things can take a while because there's a lot of things that go into it. I still haven't heard anything. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I'm being hopeful, but it's just been really, really rough. Like just trying to be alert at work and focus when I'm just so tired. I'm pretty tired today, even though I slept well last night. I'm just exhausted today. It's another crappy day outside. It's not very nice at all. This is one of my other maternity shirts. I really like this one. I like the shoulders on it. And yeah, so I am just gonna do some laundry. Colin is home tonight. He'll actually be home before me because I don't get home till like after 8. So I will finally see him, but then he leaves tomorrow morning for NASCAR. His family goes to NASCAR every year. It's like a guy's trip. And he didn't get to go last year because I was very pregnant. We didn't want him to miss my due date in case I went into labor. So, excuse me, he's going this time around. And yes, look at my living room. This is how it looks in the morning. And I have 2 loads of laundry that I have to get through today. I just have her baby laundry and then the regular laundry, and I just use the Tide Free and Gentle. And yes, I'm gonna do a load of laundry and then I'm gonna look for some jobs and just relax because your girl is tired. Just finishing up editing a video, and this is my go-to breakfast. It's the cranberry Stone Mill Creek cranberry and pumpkin seed toast with peanut butter. I have this every day. Like seriously, I love peanut butter. Blake down at 8:30. Actually, it was more like 8:15, and it's 10:22. And she's still sleeping. She usually only sleeps like an hour in the morning, so I don't know. She's gonna be 11 months tomorrow. I have to weigh her. Yeah, she's gonna be 11 months tomorrow, so maybe she's going through a growth spurt, but yeah, she's still sleeping. So I mean, it's kind of nice because I got some things done, but at the same time I'm like, okay, can you wake up now? Because when she wakes up, I want to walk her over to the post office and maybe go on the trail just to get some fresh air. Even though it's super cloudy today, I always like to get outside because I feel like it's good for the soul to be out in nature, and she loves going for walks because she can look at everything, and I show her the birds and the trees, and she loves looking around. And it's really important because you get like stir crazy in your house. So, and I went to Walmart yesterday, so I'm not going to go there today. So I've just thought, you know, let's go outside and get some fresh air, even though it's not very sunny and the weather in Canada has been crazy. It's just been like not nice. But next week is supposed to, let me just check my weather network. So the weather next week is supposed to be like today's only 15 to 17, and then tomorrow's 21, and then 23, 22, 22, 25, 26, 24. So that's all like normal temperatures for June, because this is just crazy. Also, I ordered party supply stuff for Blake's first birthday party, which is July 7th. It's a Saturday. I'm so excited. So once all of that stuff comes in, I'm going to do a separate video on how I'm planning for her birthday party, the stuff that I am using, and the theme and everything like that. So I will do a separate video on that. I'm so excited for that stuff to come in, and once it comes in, I'll do a dedicated video. But I think I need to go check on her. First I need to change my pants because I'm still in my pajamas, and then I'm gonna go just check on her. Look who finally decided to wake up after over 2 hours. Were you so tired? Oh really? Yeah, those are your friends. He's so tired. Hey, baby girl. So today I have to put a clip in her hair still. Baby, I'll get lip gloss on you. Bee's just got her little purple long sleeve shirt on, and these are gray little sweater pants that have little bunnies on them. Oh, did you drop your brush? She dropped her hairbrush. Hold on. Here's your brush. Now she's got her brush. You can brush mommy's hair. Brush mommy's hair. Brush mommy's hair. Oh, thank you. She brushed mommy's hair. Yeah, that's the baby. Baby girl. Baby smells so good. Like I just love her smell. I'm like obsessed with her. I guess that's how it should be as a parent. Is it nice for mommy? Oh, your sock came off. Here, Bee. Do you like some? Girl. Is that good? She's just having the banana, blueberry, brown rice, and sweet potato little pouch just for a snack. Would you like some more? Because lunch isn't for another hour, so mommy wants to give you a snack. Which is really cold. Is that good? You took your sock off. You want some more? Or is it too cold? I don't know why our fridge is so cold. I'm gonna turn it down. Good. Fruit pouch. Here, Bee. Blake. Want some more? Value Mamas for some advice. So B used to be really good at drinking out of her sippy cup, but lately she does not, she's laughing at me. She does not want her water or her milk. I've tried putting like a tiny bit of watermelon juice in her water to see if that would help, and so far it has not. And I know it's really important for them to get fluid. She drinks maybe one of these a day, if that, and I keep trying, but she literally just like, she shoves it away. Like she goes like, like that, like she doesn't want it. So I know it's important for them to get all of the nutrients from milk and stuff right now. So what do you guys do to get your babies to eat, to drink? I offer it to her like all the time. And I know she gets like water and stuff from her food, and I give her like water food such as cucumber. She eats a lot of cucumber, but it's just starting to concern me a little bit. So let me know what you guys do if you're 11-month-old, 12-month-old, 13, whatever month old you have, did that, and what you did about it, because I don't know what to do. Laundry. So I'm going to be making some pizza here shortly. I have to leave for work at like 3:30, and my parents are coming to watch the baby, but they're bringing me a pepper, so I can't do too much yet, but I can at least pre-cook the chicken because I do a chicken ranch pizza. So I'm just going to pre-cook that, and I think I might roll out the dough. I get this dough at Walmart, carries it, and so does like Zehrs. It's Molinero's pizza dough. So I got 2 of these so I can make 2 pizzas. And I could make my own, but honestly, who has the time? To roll out my dough, but I just wanted to share with you guys, I picked up some Italian seasoning. This is the Great Value blend, and I'm going to use this to season the chicken. But when you buy them in bags like this, you get so much more herbs, and like this was $1 something, where those big, like these Clubhouse ones are like $4 something. So just go to the dollar store and get yourself some little spice jars, or I sometimes just leave them in the bags, and it's way cheaper and you get way more. So I'm going to season my chicken over there with this Italian seasoning and then roll out my dough. Say we forgot to end the vlog yesterday. It's now the next day and it's morning and we're having breakfast. And this is just a little beet and raspberry organic fruit bar. Oh, really? So I am going to have my coffee and end the vlog here, and I'll see you guys, well, today, but tomorrow for you. Bye.